Capital One, live chat, or lost cause? Ever had a question about your Capital One account that just wouldn't wait? Maybe you need to freeze your card because you think it's been compromised, or perhaps you have a question about an unfamiliar charge. In today's fast-paced world, waiting on hold for a customer service representative isn't exactly ideal. So, does Capital One offer a live chat option to get you the answers you need, stat? Let's dive into the world of Capital One customer service and see if we can find a way to get you chatting with a virtual assistant or a real person representative. Hold your horses. Introducing Eno. Now, before we get discouraged about the lack of a traditional live chat option, Capital One does have a virtual assistant service they've been rolling out called Eno. Think of Eno as your friendly neighborhood banking bot, ready to answer your basic questions and help you with some account tasks. Eno is available through a few different channels. Text message. If you've opted in to receive texts from Capital One, you can simply text your question to 227 to 898 and Eno will do its best to assist you. Capital One mobile app. For on-the-go banking assistance, you can access Eno directly within the Capital One mobile app. Look for the Eno icon and start a conversation. Online banking. Eno is also available through Capital One's online banking platform. Once you're signed in, you should see an Eno icon you can click on to begin chatting. But can Eno handle everything? That's a great question. While Eno is a handy tool for simple tasks and quick answers, it might not be equipped for complex situations. Let's say you're experiencing suspicious activity on your account and need to speak with a human representative to report it and take further action. In those cases, Eno might not be the best option. So, where's the live chat then? As of today, Capital One doesn't offer a traditional live chat option where you can connect with a customer service representative in real time. This might be a disappointment for some, but there are still ways to get the help you need. Alternative avenues for assistance. Phone. Capital One does offer traditional phone support. You can reach them at 1-877-383-4802. Be prepared to navigate an automated menu system before connecting with a representative and expect wait times depending on call volume. Social media. Capital One has a presence on various social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. While they might not be able to handle super sensitive information through these channels, they can often point you in the right direction or answer basic questions. Secure messaging. Through Capital One's online banking platform, you can send a secure message to a customer service representative. This option might take a bit longer for a response compared to a live chat, but it can be a good alternative if phone calls aren't your thing. Branch visit. Let's not forget the old-fashioned way. If you have a Capital One branch conveniently located near you, you can always walk in and speak to a banker directly. The takeaway. While Capital One doesn't have a live chat option in the traditional sense, their virtual assistant Eno can be a helpful tool for basic questions and tasks. However, for more complex issues, you'll need to explore phone support, social media avenues, secure messaging, or even a visit to your local branch. Remember, the key is to find the method that works best for you and your situation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.